want to be able to launch a ping pong ball into the box.
Yeah.
Okay. What kind of constraints or criteria for our designs?
One's got to be the materials. You know, we don't have erector sets and
Right.
Lego launchers and motors and things to use, but
So we need to use stuff that we can find pretty easily.
yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
It's got to be cheap,
Cheap,
because we don't
yeah,
have a
is
lot
good.
of money.
right.
So I think
You know, I got to poking around on the internet, and I was looking at trebuchets, you know, and this is the one that I ended up building, and it's made out of plastic straws, and it's got a popsicle stick here as a pivot point, and I've got some washers for a weight and a place here on the end where a ping pong ball can be put. So that was mine based on kind of like the old style trebuchet.
sort of did the same thing. I got on the internet and looked around, and I decided I wanted to build a catapult. So I used a lot of the similar materials that you used, Mr. O'Neill. I used the straws. I have one rubber band here, and then I did use a piece of a toilet paper roll. I wonder where I got that.
Oh.
And that's about it. That's all that I have in mine.
It's a great design, and I grew up with slingshots, so I thought I would make mine a little bit different, not out of straws. Make it out of bamboo skewers and some rubber bands, and again, toilet paper roll.
Let's say this is what we all did. We all built a prototype, that's what that would be called, and then we tested and evaluated the solutions, and depends. If you're happy on it, you know, at this distance, you're done, but if you're like, I'd like it to go further, then you say, oh, let's refine this. What's the problem with it not going far enough? Or in your case, Miss Lamb, the
High enough or straight
maybe not
enough?
high enough or straight enough, or the, you know, where it goes is variable. But that's why it's in a circle, is you'd say, okay, here's the new problem, how do we fix it, and let's do that and test it, and it just keeps, you know, going around and around.
Right. I think I would want to refine mine,
Yeah.
because I'm not happy that it has to shoot from here. I would like to be able to fire it from back here. And
I would say the same thing for mine too. Definitely maybe some different materials here, maybe some twist ties instead of rubber bands to hold things together, or maybe even put something underneath so that I can reach
Oh,
underneath
yeah.
it and get a better grip.
Yeah.
So raise it up a little bit.
Raise it.
Well, I'm fairly happy with it. I think that what I would like, I'd like it to be more realistic, because I have to pick this up and hold it and then just let go to drop it. You know, in the old days, what they did is they had a pulley system, and they would have a rope, and it took a lot of men to crank and pull and pull and pull and pull, and they would finally get it up. And then all they did was pull a pin, and it just went. So I'd kind of like a little pulley system where I could just pull and then cut the string or something. I think that'd be more realistic.
Mr. O'Neill, I used the one rubber